Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Cayz Hart here again for another video. This video we were asked to do in the comments of the last video. Last video again covered the lacing techniques of the Adidas Pharrell Williams Tennis HUs. We got asked how to clean the material without damaging it. So that's what we'll be looking at today. However, it is just me as Cayz and myself have gone home for Christmas. So without further ado, let's get into cleaning. Right, so here we are, ready to clean. First of all, you want to take off your laces because you don't need to clean them with the rest of the shoe. As you can see, I've got some staining here and on the back just by the stitching. So in this bowl here, I'll have some just warm tap water, a little bit of hand soap and a sponge. So what you want to do is you just want to slowly start cleaning the areas that have got the dirt in them. And then you just repeat this until what you want is done. So I will continue to clean these and show you what the end result will be. Right, so once you've done your little once over, you can then grab a spare toothbrush, and if you can see, I've still got dirt up here, which I'm trying to get out. This should hopefully do the trick. clean your laces, you don't really need to use the sponge, as I've been using. You can just submerge them in the water, give them a little scrub in the water. Right, now we've got both laces done and both shoes scrubbed, so we will leave them on the radiator to dry, and then we will show you what they look like when they're dried. Right, we're back from having them dried now. Left them for a couple of days because I was out of town. So, as we can see, my scuff marks that are on the side, dirt, there, scuff marks on the side, are basically gone. So obviously now we'll just have to relace them and then we can throw them back on feet. We hope you found this video helpful on how to clean the Pharrell Williams Adidas tennis shoes. However, if you do have any bigger stains than the one that I've shown today, then I would suggest putting it in an old pillowcase, putting it in the washing machine, putting it on a low temperature wash, so hopefully you should get any bigger stains out. But thanks again for watching. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, all the rest, and then we'll see you guys soon.